Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Budget preparation. We have seen flexible budget, sales budget. Cash budget, last class I have done one problem. Hope you understood it. If you have followed that problem, then only please come to this problem. It will be easy for you. Today is the last class for cash budget. 2 problems I am doing it, and you can practice n number of problems by taking any test book. Now today class very important, please focus. I'll explain this problem. You have to work out, and after working out, check out your answer with my answer. Okay, so just focus 5 minutes, I'll explain. After that, pause the video and work out. Now the problem is given here like this. Prepare cash budget for the month of January to April 2020. January to April, January, February, March, April. 4 months we have to prepare. In the previous problem we prepared for 3 months. Now here 4 months. What is the data given to us? Months are here. November 2019, December, and January 2020, February, March, April. 6 months are given, but we are going to prepare only for these 4 months only, January to April. Okay, this is additional information. Now, what are the things are given? Cash budget we are preparing means either receipt or payment you have to remember. Now, first thing is that sales. Sales means it's a receipt. Okay, and purchases, payment. Wages, payment. Manufacturing expenses, payment. Administrative expenses, selling expenses, these are also payments. All are payments except sales. Receipts we have only one. Okay, so this is, got it. Next, coming to the adjustment, just focus 2-3 minutes, I'll explain it. Now here, customers are allowed a credit period of 2 months. Customers means related to the sales, so there is an adjustment for sales. Customers are allowed a credit period of 2 months. 2 months delay is there. Okay, rather than taking 25,000, we'll take 30,000. Instead of 30,000, we'll take 35,000, like previous problem. Hope you understood it. Next one, a dividend of 10,000 is payable only in the month of April. We'll pay it only for April, not other months. Next, plant purchased on 1st January for 5,000. In the month of January, we'll make the payment of 5,000. Okay, and a building purchased on March 1st. Building purchased on March 1st. Payments are made in monthly installment 2,000 each. March onwards, every month we have to pay 2,000 for purchasing of building, installment basis. Getting it? Rest of the months don't touch. January, February don't touch. Only March and April we are going to make 2,000 rupees installments. Okay. Next one, creditors allowed a credit of 2 months. Creditors means related to the purchases. Okay, creditors allowed 2 months means this is related to the purchases. Next one, wages were paid 1 month, paid on the 1st of next month, means there is a delay of 1 month. Wages, adjustment related to the wages also there. Lag in payment of other expenses is 1 month. So this is 1 month, this is also 1 month. Other expenses, what are the other expenses? All these expenses. These are all other expenses, na? Manufacturing expenses, administrative expenses, selling expenses. All these things also 1 month delay. Okay. And balance of cash in hand on 1st January, 15,000. This is opening balance. With this we'll start the problem. You know the format, right? So format is this: cash budget for the month of January to April 2020. Particulars January, February, March, April. 4 months they are asking us to prepare. Now pause the video, start working out. Okay. Now check your answer, I'll work out it. First we'll start with the opening balance of cash. Opening balance of cash is here 15,000. Opening balance cash 15,000 January. Add, okay, all the receipts. Add receipts. What receipts we have? Only sales, not anything else. Sales are here. This much is given related to the sales. Here this is the information. Customers allowed credit period of 2 months. Means credit period of 2 months means there is a delay of 2 months in the sales. So receipts, can give a heading receipts. We have only sales. Okay, I'm writing here sales. There is a delay of 2 months. 2 months means January will take 30,000. 2 months back, 30,000 January month. February month, 35,000 will take. 2 months delay na. So for March month, 25,000. Next for April, 30,000. That's all. We don't have any other receipts. All are payments only. Everything is rest of all the transactions are payments only. So we can just total up total receipts. It is 45,000. Now I'll write here payments heading. We'll underline this payments. Exam hall also you have to write neatly. Use pencil, scale for drawing this table and underlining, specifically showing any kind of working notes. You have to do that. Okay. Now coming to the payments, we'll start from here. Purchases. Purchases, there is an adjustment where it is. Yeah. Creditors allowed a credit of 2 months. Means purchases also 2 months delay. Purchases 2 months delay means January month will take 15,000. 2 months back we are going 15,000. In the same way for February 20,000. March 15,000. And April 20,000. Purchases are over. Now wages. Wages, there is an adjustment. Wages were paid 1 month. First wages were paid on the 1st of next month. Means there is a delay of 1 month. Wages. In brackets I'll write 1 month. And here it was 2 months. Sales were also 2 months, no? 2 months. Wages 1 month. Means January means will take 3,200. December month 3,200. For February 2,500. For March 3,000. For April 2,400. Over. Next, manufacturing wages. They said all the expenses lag in payment of other expenses 1 month. Means all these expenses also 1 month. So now manufacturing expenses 1 month. 1 month means January means will take December month 1225. 1225, 990, then 1050 and 1100. 1 month delay, 1100. After manufacturing expenses, administrative expenses. Administrative expenses also 1 month delay. 1 month delay means January is we are taking 1040. 1040. February is 1100. March is 1150. April is 1220. After that, selling expenses. This is also 1 month delay. 1 month delay means January's we are taking December month 550. February is 600. March is here 620. April is 570. Over, okay. So this we have covered. And dividend of 10,000 payable in April. So payment of dividend. How much it is? 10,000. April month. April month means here I am writing 10,000. Over, okay. Next, plant purchased on 15th January for 5,000. 15th January means in the month of January we have to write purchase of plant. How much? 5,000 in the month of January. So January month I am writing 5,000. After that, building purchased on 1st March. Building purchase of building. Building purchased on 1st March, payment every month 2,000. 1st March onwards, every month 2,000. 1st March means here 2,000. Every month means one more month is there. 2 months only. Purchased on March, so obviously it doesn't comes in January and February months. March we have paid, and also every month we have to pay this 2,000 rupees. Okay. So next month also I have paid. If more months we are supposed to pay, those months also we are going to pay 2,000, right? Next, what else? Anything else is there? That's all. Over. Now we'll close it. Total payments. Total payments and also closing cash. Here first total receipts are we know. Total payments we have to total it. 15,000 plus 3,200, 18,200. 18,200 plus 1225 plus 1,040 plus 550 means 5,550. 5,550. It's 26,015 rupees. 26,015 rupees. The difference between 45,000 minus 26,015 rupees, it comes to 18,985. 18,985. This is closing cash. That will be the opening cash of the next month. So 18,985. 18,985. Plus 35,000. It is 53,985, this total, 53,985. And payment side total 22,500 plus 990 plus 1,700, 25,190. 25,190. So the difference between these two, 53,985 minus 25,190 comes to 28,795. 28,795. So this will be the opening balance of the next month. So 28,795. If we add these two, 53,795. This total is 53,795. Let us see all the payments of this March month. 15,000 means 18,000, 19,050 rupees, 19,050 rupees plus 1,150 plus 620 means 2,620. Comes to 22,820. 22,820. If you see the difference, 53,795 minus this one, you are getting 30,975. 30,975. Are you getting the same answer? So this will be the opening balance of next month, 30,975. 30,975. Total will be 60,975. So if you see this total, 20,000, 22,400 plus 1,100 plus 1,220 and 1,570 and 2,000. It is 28,290. 28,290 means 60,975 minus 28,290 comes to 32,685. That's all. Okay. So, are you getting the same answer? I think you are getting. If you have followed the previous problem and introduction of today's explanation, you will get the same answer. Take a screenshot or note down, then I'll give my recap. Let me give you a recap of today's last problem, cash budget. Cash budget same like cash account. You'll start with the opening balance of cash, all the receipts you'll write, payments you'll write. Receipts minus payments will be the closing cash. Closing cash will be the opening cash of the next month. Next month also once again total receipts minus total payments you are getting. Once again closing cash, that will be the opening cash of next month. Like this you will be calculating. Now the thing is that what is given in the problem, that is important. First find out where is the opening cash. Opening cash is here 15,000. With this we have started the problem. And payments, sorry not payments, exactly information. Here information, this is receipt, rest of everything is payments only. And also observe carefully these 6 transactions. What they are saying, customers means related to the sales. There is a delay of 2 months. So we have paid 30,000 in the month of January, 35,000 in the month of February, like 2 months delay. And also plant purchased. We have paid payment in the month of January only, not anything else. And also there is a purchase of building, but that building payment will be from the month of March. Every month you have to pay 2,000. So March and April we have paid 2,000. Okay. In the same, creditors allowed a credit period of 2 months. Creditors means related to the purchases. So purchases also 2 months delay. Means January amount we have paid, sorry, November amount we have paid in the month of January. December amount paid in the month of February, like this. Okay. Wages and other expenses 1 month delay. Wages, other expenses, manufacturing, administrative, selling expenses. All these expenses, wages, wages, manufacturing expense, administrative expense, selling expense. All these 4 are 1 month delay as they said in the 6th point. That's it. Simple. Cash budget, if you get in the exam, don't leave it, attempt it. You understood very well. Okay. Take out any other problem, work out and see, are you getting the answers? Did you follow it? Please mention it in the comment box. I'll be very happy to read your comments. By the way, check out the playlist, different subjects you'll find, use it, and don't forget to forward these videos, practice well. See you in the next class with another budget. So till that period, take care of yourself. Good luck.